Hello everyone and welcome to the Urban Kitchen. Today we shall be making Kairi Panha, that is raw mango juice. A very simple recipe to make something out of raw mangoes, and it's very common in India to make this in the summers. So for this we need 1 raw mango, few mint leaves, salt, sugar and 4 to 5 cardamom pods. We'll be using some dry mint leaves, but you can also use fresh mint leaves for the same. Begin by peeling the raw mango. It's fairly easy to use a peeler and peel them, and then by chopping it into small pieces. So we anyway going to pressure cook this. The pieces do not need to be of the even size. So you can just cut them. It's just easy for it to pressure cook. Get as much as you can, like scrape it off. And even if you can't, it's easy to do so after it's cooked. So we've put the mango with the seed inside the pressure cooker. We're going to add some water to this, roughly half, like a 3/4 full glass. Just enough to cook all these pieces because we'll be making a concentrate. And let's pressure cook this for 4. We'll be pressure cooking it on a medium flame. While the raw mango is being cooked, let's get the mixture of sugar and cardamom ready in a mixer pot. So we're going to use 4 to 5 spoons of sugar. Then for your cardamom pods, you need to peel them and just take the insides like the seeds. You can also choose to add the peels to the mixture, but remember to open your pods, but don't add the entire pod. It's just easier for it to grind. And then a few dried mint leaves. Now if you're going to use fresh mint leaves, save them for later when we're going to crush the raw mango. And you can add them then, don't add it to this mixture. Let's fine grind our sugar and the other cardamom and mint in it. Our mixture is now ready to be added to the crushed raw mangoes. Let's check if our raw mango is cooked. We've pressure cooked it for 5 whistles now. Like you can see, it's become really soft and mushy. All we need to do is get the seed out so that we can scrape out the pulp from the seed. We're going to let it cool off and let this also cool so that we can grind it. Now that the seed has cooled off, let's quickly scrape off the pulp from the seed. You can just use a spoon to do the same. Like you can see, there's no pulp, and you can either compost or throw this away. It's time to fine grind our pulp. So we're just going to take all of it in the same pot that we made our sugar mixture in. Now that the pulp has completely cooled off, let's quickly grind it to a fine mix. Be cautious that you don't grind hot pulp in a mixer. Our pulp is fine and ready. It's a smooth paste. We're just going to add our sugar mixture to this. Let's also add some salt to taste. We're quickly going to mix this in the grinder itself. Our concentrate is now ready. We shall now serve it and store the rest of it in the refrigerator. So we've taken 2 cubes in a glass. We're going to add a spoonful of our concentrate and some water. Let's give this a good mix. Our panha is now ready. You can garnish it with chia seeds, so we had soaked some earlier, and fresh mint leaves if you have some. Our raw mango juice or Kairi Panha is now ready. We've just put like a mint leaf on top to garnish it. Hope you've liked this recipe. Please share this video with your friends and family. Also subscribe to our channel on YouTube, The Urban Kitchen, and like our page on Instagram. Thank you.